Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss how to optimize your video so that it has proper SEO, search engine optimization, so that your video can be discovered by the views in a much easier manner and it's more reachable to more people on YouTube. So let's see video analytics first. In my video, most of my views, as you can see here, most of my views are from external and playlists. Very few are from direct or channel pages. That means my video is very easily searchable. People can very easily search my videos. So that is what we are going to discuss today, how to incorporate keywords, proper keywords, so that your description and your title is properly SEO optimized. Okay, we are just going to use YouTube search and we are going to use Google search as well. So let's get started. So first of all, let's take an example. I am creating videos for my thumbnail tutorial. Like in this, as you can see, it's a viral thumbnail 2-minute video of how to create viral thumbnails. So what I'm going to do first is go to YouTube search. I'll go to YouTube search, and then the first thing I'm going to search is we are going to search thumbnail. Okay, so the keywords that are instantly popping up is thumbnail editing, thumbnail design Photoshop. So the keywords here are editing, design, Photoshop, and thumbnail tutorial. Tutorial is also a keyword here. So what are you going to do? We are going to collect all of these keywords. Thumbnail. Thumbnail is the main keyword. Then editing. Then we also saw design, Photoshop. Then YouTube is also a keyword in here. Then what I'm going to do is, okay, thumbnail, I am creating the thumbnail in Canva. So I'm just going to do Canva. I'm going to type out Canva. So with Canva, we have Canva course, Canva YouTube, and Canva tutorial, Canva design. So these are the keywords we are going to include in our title as well as description as well. I will show you how I have created the description and the title such that it has all of these searchable keywords. Like this, YouTube search helps you to get the keywords that are popular and that are in demand. Okay. And Canva AI is also a keyword we can use because we have used AI in our videos. So AI is something that we can use as well. So those are the keywords I am going to. You can even go even deeper with this, but this is what I have. Okay, this is what I have. Now, in case in keywords, let's just keep the keywords like that. In long head keywords, what we are going to do is just take, first we are going to use YouTube search for it. So go to thumbnail कैसे बनाएं. It is a entire sentence and you can see that it is an entire question. So it is longer keyword that people are searching for again and again. So what I'm going to do is thumbnail कैसे बनाएं is a very popular long head keyword in my country. Thumbnail maker app and thumbnail YouTube पर कैसे लगाएं, thumbnail tutorial YouTube. That is also a good long head keyword. Now we are going to go ahead and do some Google search as well. Wait a minute. Okay, now we will go to Google search and this is how we are going to go ahead and find even more long head keywords that is going to help us uh, get more traction. So what are you going to do, which very less people use, but I like to use it for my clients and myself? YouTube thumbnail size is one thing. YouTube thumbnail maker, YouTube thumbnail free. Okay, we also got a long tail, long head keyword. So YouTube thumbnail free something. Let's just do how to make YouTube thumbnail. Then go below. Okay, YouTube thumbnail background, YouTube thumbnail template. This is something we have done in our tutorial. You can even copy paste it. I'm just typing it out. Canva YouTube thumbnail, another long tail keyword. Canva YouTube thumbnail. So we have collected all of the keywords. Now what do we do? Okay. Now go to description, go to your description. I will just show how I have created my description. As you can see in here, in this description, here are the keywords that I have created. YouTube thumbnail, here you can see a keyword that there's YouTube thumbnail. Here editing, thumbnail editing is another keyword that we searched, and I have included that in my description. I have included Canva in the description. Okay, so these are the keywords that I have included, and here I have included the keywords as well in my title as well. So YouTube thumbnail in 2 minutes free. Free is a keyword, and that we have included, and we have also included YouTube and thumbnail as the keywords. How to make a YouTube thumbnail in 2 minutes free and easy. We created this title using the most popular keywords that are actually in demand. So that is very important. Then I just copy pasted the title itself in the description and use the keywords I researched on. Later on, I have prompts and everything in here. And then we have our socials in here. In here we have our socials. That is fine. The long head keywords. What are you going to do with the long head keywords? You go ahead and you just type out your queries and then add this long head keywords, like see YouTube thumbnail कैसे बनाए, YouTube thumbnail editing, YouTube thumbnail tutorial, podcast thumbnail Canva, thumbnail design AI here we have included as well. So this is how we have created the description and the title. For tags, you don't need to do much. If when you are filling out tags, just ask ChatGPT what kind of tags it would make for a YouTube video that has this title, and done. You will get tags. Tags are not that important, but including the right keywords in your video is very important. So there we have it. That is the entire tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you got any kind of value from this video, just hit subscribe and like. And if you want me to make more such videos, leave them in the comments down below. Leave any topic that you have in the comment down below. Okay, cool. Bye.